Hello friends, today I received a very special package and it's my new iPhone 13 Pro. So I thought maybe let's share this memory with you all. Let's now just open it. Woohoo! Very slim. Nothing else in the pack. Now there is a different way to open it now. No plastic sheet, but yeah, this green arrow you can see here, you have to pull it off and then you can open. Ta-da! So I've got the Sierra blue color, which looks really good, must say. Fancy. I like the size of 13 Pro. Right now I was using 11 Pro Max, and after using that Max version, it's really good. Feels really good in the hand. With the phone comes just the cable, and that's all. Let's take the cover off. Oh, that's so nice. Take a close look. I want to compare the cameras on both phones. Obviously, so big. And the notch on the top of the screen is very small as compared to 11 Pro Max. I like that too. I've also got the cover, so let's put the case on. Before using this, I think so, putting a case on is important. There you go. So I put on the case now. I surely need the glass guard, and for that I need to go Walmart. So let's turn it on. There you go. Hello. So thank you for watching it, guys. I just wanted to share this memory with you all. Thanks for being part of my life.